No! All of these are Model Ws? Are you surprised, Gray? Do you have any idea how much time I've invested in this plan? Did you think you could foil my plan? By destroying one or two of my Model Ws? Not a chance! We'll see about that. Prometheus! Pandora! So this is where he's been keeping the recovered Model Ws. I never thought you would have found this place for us.
Thank you, Megaman Model A.
How many centuries has it been since we last met like this, Master Albert? You look even more ridiculous in person than you do on that monitor. What do you all think you're doing? This is what we're doing! To be defeated by the very first Megaman you ever made! How fitting for the scum that you are!
What's going on?
You were being used by us all along. From the day we first awoke, we were Megamen destined to fight each other, to further Albert's insane plan to create the ultimate Megaman.
So we decided to take revenge on Albert.
Revenge? We found many Megamen and brought them into this fight. We knew that if we were successful, Albert would show up. And then you tracked him down, allowing us to exact our revenge.
I didn't think this is how the game was gonna end.
What are you talking about? It's not over yet. We're still here. The garbage left behind by that scum.
We can't get our old bodies back. We can't change our destiny. So we'll hasten the destiny of destruction.
We will destroy all that Albert made. So let's have some fun, why don't we? And go out with a bang! That's enough! This fighting is senseless! That's right! Even you can see that this fight is pointless!
Mavericks terrorize humans, and in turn, Model Ws absorb that anguish. Albert used Legion as a front to go about selecting chosen ones. A world where Megamen are created to destroy each other, all for Albert's satisfaction.
It was all a farce! Albert prepared everything in this world according to his own plan! He said Megamen are the natural evolution of man? Don't make me laugh! What an epic sham! I'm going to demolish this whole wretched world! All of the Model Ws are awake! Prometheus, Pandora, your centuries of anger, suffering, hate, and insanity, along with your battles against other Megamen, have given me the data I need. That voice! No way! Master Albert!
So, who was it that Prometheus defeated?
That was a decoy. A dummy body that worked as one of the Sage Trinity in my stead. I am Dr. Albert, number 000, the original. This me is the genuine article. The real Master Albert. Just as I planned, soon all the Model Ws will begin to merge. I will become the ultimate Mega Man, and the plan will be complete.
This place won't last long! We need to hurry and get out of here!
But Prometheus and Pandora!
What are you saying? We can't carry both of them! If you don't make it, who's going to deal with Albert?
Dang! Hey, what's that?
That's all of the Model W's merged together! You're a Boris!
Albert must be inside. Say, is that airship still at Hunter's camp? Take me to it. There's not even one left. Mavericks destroyed them all.
There's nothing left we can do! No, there is one thing.
Hail!
We meet again. There's something I've been wanting to show you. But remember, from here, there's no turning back. I'll be waiting for you here. Call me when you're ready.